The screen you see in front of you is the dCAD interface when you start the program with no particular drawing loaded, nor with any drawing, no new options selected. So most of the options, of course, are grayed out. You can't put lines down for the sake of argument until you start a new drawing. What you can do is open drawings that you've been working on, recent drawings, or open a file or start a new one. And you can also reach the help file there. But let's have a look at the interface when a drawing's open. So we'll try the File and New option, and now we're in the interface proper. You have all the standard things you would expect in a computer-aided design program. The name of the application sits up there. Notice that the drawing name is drawing.vec. VEC is the default suffix for drawings created in the dCAD environment, and it just says drawing. As soon as you go File and Save As, you can give it a name. Then there are a series of drop-down menus through here which contain all the usual tools you'd expect in a computer-aided design program. So if we go to the Draw drop-down, here we have the tools for putting both simple entities into a drawing and more complex entities into a drawing. The standard toolbar is immediately underneath. File, New, and so on. Zooming in and zooming out can also be accessed through there, and under that is the, let's float it and see, the Object Properties toolbar, and we can move it up into that position, which is a standard position that most people would use it. In dragging that and putting it back into position, you notice that the Dimension toolbar adjusted itself and went parallel. I could move the Draw 2D toolbar and put it up here to save more screen real estate, and I always try and get a reasonable balance, but that's your preference. So these toolbars contain quick links to various tools or commands, but they're all available here. So this particular option here is the Line option that can be found in Draw and Line. The black area on the screen is, of course, the drawing editor, and you notice a series of dots showing there. That indicates that a grid is operational. You can right-click and up pop a drafting aids box, and you can set your grid and set the settings and colors and so on. The function keys in the software also work, so F7 will remove the grid and F8 turns on orthogonal drawing and so on. So it's a relatively complex drawing environment, I guess. The command area is down the bottom here, and it's picking up the last 3 lines of what has been drawn or done. The Object Snap or Entity Snap toolbar is over here. That enables you to draw a line, say, to the midpoint of another line, or to the center of a circle, or perpendicular to a line, and so on. They're standard tools in the dCAD environment. Indeed, they're standard tools in any CAD environment. What I'm trying to do now is push that toolbox to the right-hand side. It'll work much better if you strengthen it, lengthen it rather, and push it in that way. So there's a modified toolbox over here, and so on. Those toolbars can be reached and accessed via the View drop-down menu. The current position of the crosshair cursor is shown right down in the bottom of the screen. So we've tried to make the interfaces as simple and as straightforward as possible, and we hope you like coming to terms with it.